Hello, in front of me I've got Vivo X90 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, enter menu, go to settings and go to Google Assistant. Go to voice match and enable Hey Google function. Now try it. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that assistant responses on lock screen are enabled, and then simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 9 and a low of 3.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.